New year, new home. Stop renting now and own for under $200,000. This stunning condo has so much to offer, including incredible space and modern design. Gorgeous kitchen boasts white cabinetry, white tile backsplash, and dark countertops to add a great contrast. Open floor plan seamlessly connects the dining area to the living room. Large master bedroom offers a walk-in closet perfect for keeping everything organized. Second bedroom is great for the growing family, guests, or for your work-from-home needs. Located just off Route 28, close to everything you could possibly need: shopping, restaurants, golf courses, schools, and more. This meticulously maintained condo will not last. Call today to schedule a showing.